Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device, whether you are using an iPhone or Android. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the three-line hamburger menu at the top. From the menu, select the Account Center option. Inside the Account Center, tap on Profiles. Here you will see the option to add accounts. Tap on Add Accounts. A pop-up page will appear with an option to add your Facebook account. Tap on Add Facebook Account. Your Facebook account will now appear. Select it and tap Continue. After this, you will see a confirmation screen asking for permission. Tap on Allow to grant access. Once this step is completed, your Facebook account will be linked successfully with Instagram. So that's basically how you can connect Instagram to Facebook. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.